Just another quick video to show you how we can apply the same strategy from the weight loss clinic to a chiropractic practice. Dr. Ned, a client of mine, wanted to generate new leads and clients for his practice. Again, we crafted an irresistible offer for a chiropractic adjustment of $21. And he was able to generate 44 new clients at a cost of $6 per email lead. And even though it was slightly more expensive, when you think about an adjustment, the price point for that is around $70 to $100 per adjustment. And no one comes in for just one adjustment. To be properly aligned with less backaches, you usually need anywhere from 5 to 10 adjustments. So we put in place a 10-pack adjustment deal, and he was able to generate $924 in the initial sales of the offer. And then later on throughout the months, he made more in terms of thousands of dollars in sales once he upsold these people to 10-pack adjustment deals. As you can see here in the ad, the creative, it's a client of his, he's performing the adjustment, and the ad copy reads, "Hey city," in this case is Bankstown, "back pain, neck pain, and headaches are no fun. Our Dr. Ned is doing something crazy for 2017. So this ad campaign was ran in January 2017. So we use that as a reason to say that we only have 47 vouchers available, and it's a consultation, exam, adjustment, and doctor's report for $21. So it was so irresistible that people had to click on it. And we generated 44 leads out of it at $264 ad spend. He still made back more than enough over the period of the few months in which this campaign ran. Just for this initial sample, I'm going to show you that we received 196 visits, 45 email leads. Again, they gave him their name, email, and mobile phone number, and that resulted into a 23% conversion rate. That is pretty high in terms of Facebook ads, but I've seen campaigns, or I've ran campaigns that have gone up to 40% conversion rate. So you can see here that you can apply the same strategy in your own business. So think about your products, your services and treatments, and how you can reapply this strategy in generating leads and sales for your business.